Hey friends, if you wish to do a Windows backup, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, it's not done through the settings. You have to search for the backup app. Okay, so search for backup and there's a Windows backup app here. Okay, there's an option which says backup this PC. Click on next and then you can select which or what all you wish to backup here, like folders, or you wish to backup apps. They are usually backed up by default, or settings which are also backed up by default, and then credentials. So you can choose to deny a few of these. For example, I don't want my desktop to be backed up, or videos to be backed up, or music to be backed up, and then I'll click on continue, and it will start backing up the details, the data, the information that I did not that I allowed for backing up. This is how easy it is, but yes, this backup process will need a while. You can continue with your work meanwhile. Just minimize it and let it do its work on the background. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.